Hello guys, it's the shed of the Edward. We've got a problem, sort of things that are just making it difficult for us. We have all the light switches now decided they don't work. Now I think these are a serviceable part, and in my wisdom I took one apart and it all sprung everywhere. As you can see in this place, it's a bit chaotic. So in the end I had to resort to bite the bullet, and I bought some, and that's what they look like. And they are 25 of your English pounds. Now I would love to know where they're made, because I'm looking at this box and I can't see. It says authentic classic range, and it's made by Joseph Lucas, but there's a sticker over where it says made in China. In fact, it doesn't say where it's made of, unless someone got better knowledge than me. There's two different switches, so this is an on-off side light, that one, and that must be the headlight. Now one was more expensive than the other. Well, they all come in these lovely little boxes, so we ended up buying two. Does that say made in UK? It says Lucas UK on it, but whether that means it was made in the UK is another matter. But whoever puts them together is a very clever person, because I can't get my fingers in there to do it. So anyway, we're unboxing those, which is one little excitement, so that's the job. We had a few other things that would go wrong, which have been a bit of a thing. I'm going to make an air box up, which is what I'm in the process of now, and I'm going to use JR for the air cleaner. He's going on there like that, so it's going to be like factory basically. Anyway, we've got a few things which I think are covered in maybe some of the videos, I don't know. I had some trim headline material left over, and I used it, and I put it in and made lovely cant rails across the back. We redid the things ready, and then we realised we can't buy the same kind of material anymore. They don't make it, or we can't get it, or I don't know where I got it. So I had to rip it all out again, and we've got to start again. Now we ordered it last week, and they said it'd be here Monday. And then they phoned us Monday and said they lost the credit card details, so they had to redo it, and they're going to send it yesterday, and it should be here today. Unfortunately, that has really has took the wind out of ourselves for about a week. That and just a general lack of enthusiasm. But if it does arrive today, then obviously we can. I've got the patterns because I've already made them, so I could just put them in and do them. I'm going to get the board down. We're going to do that. When that goes in, then it's a matter of then getting the dash top, which we're going to put on today. I've got the dashboard going in. Have you seen these lovely stripes that have been put on? We did damage the paint slightly here, which we've got to set up with. But dashboard, obviously, as you see, is in. Dashboard's looking great. It's the problem we got at the minute, interior-wise, is the switches. We had to improvise, and as you can see there, they're not exactly factory, so they're not going to work. So I had to buy some anyway. So we got the interior locks, like someone's doing, but notice he's come to a standstill on them because they look too difficult. That door handle on the inside, mechanism.
I had to go home.
Yeah, let's go sometime, I suppose. Anyway, so that's the thing. That's on the list of jobs for today. We've got the other stripe on this side, which is looking great, and they line up absolutely stunningly good. They are actually absolutely. I mean, I just think it's just stunningly good. Heater box has gone in. As you can see how many times it's been repaired by just looking at the top of it. You couldn't make that up, could you? Look at the state of that heater box. I mean, that is absolutely hideous.
Put as much paint on it as I could.
Yeah, so you needed filling, didn't it? Needed rubbing down and re-spraying. Anyway, so we've got some pipes to put into there. Then we can talk about liquid water going in it. But we've still got an exhaust system to do. So we have to wait on the headline in, and obviously then it's the windows in, and then we can then try and maybe put a seat in it, and then maybe we can, I don't know, possibly try and get it out of the shed, take it for a drive, go for a drive around the road in it. I mean, obviously we've got to find some seat belts. Personally, I'd rather go through the windscreen to get help, taking my mobile phone with me. This could be our interior trim. This could be it. You might be having a delivery.